God forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil,
Hi you
won't you show
guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my Valentine's Day look that I've created, and also happy Valentine's Day to each and everyone out there. Hope you have a great Valentine with your loved ones. So this is the look that I created, and if you girls and women and ladies are interested to get ready for Valentine, I think this look will surely help you. So stay tuned, watch the video and comment down what you think about this look.
Yeah, I'm told you hate the month of May. Could've never told you that. Maybe I could keep you here someday. But we come apart, didn't mean to steal that time you had. Could've never planned this whole romance. But now we passed the month of May. You know it's spring for you. You don't fall too much, but I fall apart. Cause you said I'm not around. When you want big rush every time we start, yeah. Cause you said you love me now. And girl, it's all too much, and we fall too much. Yeah, it's autumn done now. And when the summer comes, yeah, when the summer comes around. Something about July, something about September, think of all of the things we won't remember. I hope we make it to spring, but I can't wait. Now, see, the winter sets you free. Now it's October, getting cold, but it's fine. We're getting sober. Yeah, I'm thinking it's time. I need my coffee. Please just take a walk, you and me. And you don't fall too much, but I fall apart. Cause you said I'm not around. When you want big rush every time we start, yeah. Cause you said you love me now. And girl, it's all too much, and we fall too much. Yeah, it's autumn done now. And when the summer comes, yeah, when the summer comes around. Something about July, something about I'm told you hate the month of May. Could've never told you that. Maybe I could keep you here someday. But we come apart, didn't mean to steal that time you had. Could've never planned this whole romance. But now we passed the month of May. You know it's spring for you. You don't fall too much, but I fall apart. Cause you said I'm not around. When you want big rush every time we start, yeah. Cause you said you love me now. And girl, it's all too much, and we fall too much. Yeah, it's autumn done now. And when the summer comes, yeah, when the summer comes around. Something about July, something about September, think of all of the things we won't remember. I hope we make it to spring, but I can't wait. Now, see, the winter sets you free. Now it's October, getting cold, but it's fine. We're getting sober. Yeah, I'm thinking it's time. I need my coffee. Please just take a walk, you and me. And you don't fall too much, but I fall apart. Cause you said I'm not it's all too much and we fall too much. Yeah, it's autumn done now. When the summer comes, yeah, when the summer comes around. Something about July, something about July. Something about July, something about July.
So guys, this was the Valentine's Day makeup look video. I hope you guys had fun. I hope that you girls, pretty girls out there are gonna create this look, and if you do so, then don't forget to tag me in your post. I would love to see them. So that was it. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
God forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with you, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free?